guys, welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to be giving you a tip on if you have a G8 with a little bit of horsepower. You know that these things have a bad problem of throwing the AC belt, and summertime you don't want to be riding around with a sweaty back. That's a no-go. So I got a little solution that I hope it'll help you guys to maybe you won't throw any more AC belts. So this is what I did. So here's my stock tensioner. So this is the stock tensioner. I took it completely off the car. Alright, so let me show you guys what I got and what I did. Yeah, there's no pulley there. Stretch belt. So I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to do the stretch belt. Alright, it's simple. It's really easy. So you don't even need any tools. I'm going to tell you how to do it. So pay attention. So this is what you got to do. You got to take your serpentine belt off. So that's the first thing. You got to take this off in order to be able to get that AC belt on. So once you get the AC belt on, put the belt around the harmonic balancer first. Put it around that, okay? And then you want to come from the bottom, because it's the engine is spinning. It's spinning this way, okay? Spinning clockwise. So you want to focus. So you want to put the belt around the bottom part, and then it's gonna stop halfway up, because it's gonna be really tight. So what you want to do when you put it around the bottom, you want to put up as far as you can and try to get as tight on there as you can. So once you do that, all you need to do is go in the car and just blip your ignition. Just blip it to where it don't crank over. It just hits it one good time, and then the belt, it'll go right on there. So that's what I did. I have no problems with the AC belt falling off, and whenever I'm making pulls with the car or anything, I don't have any problems with that. So this is the part number. I went to I think it was that Advance AutoZone. I can't remember which one it was, but this is your part number for the belt that you would need for your G8 to delete the AC, the tensioner, the AC tensioner. So once you delete that, you just put that belt on, do what I just explained to you, and you do what I explained to you. Like I said, you put it around the harmonic balancer first. I don't know why the camera's having so much hard time focusing. Put it around the harmonic balancer first, then go from the bottom up as far as you can get it up. Make it tight so that way it don't just fall off when you blow ignition. So once you barely hit the ignition, it'll wedge itself. It'll make it go on to where it's supposed to go. So like I said, I hope this video helped you guys out. This is another DIY video for you guys. I'm gonna be coming back with more videos. I got other things that I'm gonna be doing. So as soon as I get some extra time around the house, away from the job, then I can make more videos and content for you guys. But I hope this video definitely helped you guys out, and can keep you guys cool in the summertime, and keep your guys without having a sweaty back. Going inside of places, man, and you're looking like you're getting out of an old box Chevy or something with no AC. So we can't have that. But yeah, man, that's it. Hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave comments below if you have any comments on if you don't understand how I just explained it, or whatever, no question is a dumb question. Leave a question. If you got a question, I'll answer it. And if I can't figure out If I can't find the answer, if I can't tell you the answer right then, I'll find it for you and I'll help you out the best I can. Yeah, so that's it, man. I'm out of here, man. That's another video.